Hello everyone, welcome back in another new video. In this video I'm going to show you the use of two keywords, and they are distinct and the other one is limit. So let's get going. So let's see. Okay, let's suppose I want to find out from which cities the students have come. So as you can see, if I find out city like old method, then it would appear before us like this. Let me show you. Like we have to select city, then from student detail information, put semicolon, alter plus enter. Then the information come to us like this. Here you can see this, that Dhaka is 2 times, but we just want to see from which cities they have come, not how many students have come from each city. So what we really want is to find data just Dhaka once, not twice. So we just want to remove this duplicate data. We want to see duplicate data for once, and for that we have to use distinct keyword. So let it get going. So select, we have to write distinct, then column name, which is city. After that we have to indicate table name, and it is student information, then semicolon at the end, alter plus enter. So here you can see the result is showing us for Dhaka only once. So it removed duplicate data and showing only one for each value. And that's all in this video.